Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, the original print-on-demand niches show. This is episode 212, and you already know I've got 5 print-on-demand niches that you can target to increase your sales in the coming weeks. There is a really big trend on the horizon, and after that, we get to a little bit of a lull in the obvious trends, which actually makes a good opportunity to sell some less obvious things and even some evergreens. But today we're focused on where we can generate the predictable sales. So you're going to see those 5 niches. Let's get right to it. First things first, how about an Amazon merch sales update? So in the last 7 days, I made 421 sales. 343 came on the US market. That brought in $1,357 in profit and probably another $250 or so of profit from the international sales. If you want to follow me on Instagram, linked in the description, you can keep up to date with my daily sales posted for motivation. All right, let's look at the top 10. So here are the current top 10 bestsellers. This is without me doing any tinkering or anything like that. Of course, a lot of Father's Day stuff, as today is Father's Day. So shout out to all the dads. Happy Father's Day. This is a forward-looking show, though. And I mentioned there's a big trend on the horizon, and then we get a little bit of a lull in terms of the obvious trends. So we need to hit this one extremely hard if you're focused on immediate future sales. Like I said, I'm willing to post designs that only sell once a year, and I'm not worried about them selling right away. So I don't necessarily feel the need to hit the biggest trends all the time. Just being honest about how I approach things, given I'm in my 7th year now. It's been over 7 years actually, so I'm in my 8th year. But niche number 1, I forgot actually that I put these in here. Niche number 1, before I even tell you about the theme of this episode, there were a couple things I wanted to point out. There's this brand, Lyric Life, and they have a bunch of bestsellers. I don't know the backstory with this brand, but they have a bunch of really popular song lyrics across all of their shirts. They're an official brand, and they are finding their way into the bestsellers, the research tools, etc. Steer clear, all right? Especially if you are not familiar with all of the American songs and don't recognize these as lyrics, you might go and make the mistake of trying to sell your own version of it and get in a lot of trouble. Definitely do your research before you post anything to Amazon merch, especially where have you heard that before? You know, account safety comes first. Also, another one here, someone took a guy out of a movie named Joe Dirt, and then clearly I was like, oh, is this official Joe Dirt merchandise? And it's brand 4th of July America, funny with vintage name Joe Lover family t-shirt. It's just come on now. By the way, 400 bought in the last month, but this person's putting their entire merch account at risk for nothing, making, pennies on each sale, at $13.99 price point. Not the smartest thing I've ever seen. Would not surprise me if that person got their account closed and then Amazon just kept selling the shirt because Amazon does not seem to care. All right, niche number 1 though, for real. We're doing a July 4th themed episode because it's the biggest trend that's coming. The first niche is the sub niche of July 4th, and that is July 4th plus presidents, United States historical figures, presidents, etc. So you've got George Washington. It's only treason if you lose. Of course, a lot of tank tops sell a lot in July 4th, so make sure you enable the tank tops for this niche. The next one, too cool for British rule. After that, you've got George Washington carrying the American flag, riding a T-Rex. Then you got jacked George Washington. It says they hate us because they ain't us. And then you've got old George Washington dabbing, and it says they hate us because they ain't us. Love it. All right, moving on. Niche number 2, sticking to the July 4th theme. Of course, July 4th hot dogs. You cannot sleep on it. All right, it's not the 4th of July until my wiener comes out. So many funny niches, man. The next one says the same thing. The third one says, I'm just here for the wieners. And it looks like number 4 and number 5 both say the same thing as well. It's not July 4th until my wiener comes out or somebody's wiener comes out. I've seen another funny camping evergreen shirt. It just says it's all fun and games till someone loses a wiener, and it's got them holding their hot dogs on a stick over the fireplace, and then one of them fell in. I don't know. I've sold that niche before a few times. All right, niche number 3, moving on. Oh, before we get to niche number 3, guys, I have a free print-on-demand mini course. I've been at it for over 7 years. $1 million in sales plus easily. I wrap everything that I've learned, all my best advice, into a 20-day completely free email series. If you want to join, use the link in the description. It is completely free. Just give me your email address, all right? And check out my Print on Demand Facebook group as well. A great place to network and keep up to date with the latest and greatest stuff. Niche number 3, how about 4th of July fireworks? Of course, you're going to go see the fireworks, but why not wear the fireworks apparel? People absolutely love it. If you thought the wiener, the hot dog shirts were funny, how about the July 4th fireworks shirts? Let's drink and blow-ish up. You've got the cat with the America cape and the top hat riding a fireworks rocket. You've got the American flag with the fireworks. You've got DILF, dude, I love fireworks. You've got just here to bang. You've got backup Terry, put it in reverse. Another little meme there. Fireworks director, I run, you run. Fireworks manager, if you see me running, you should too. So lots of good ones there, lots of potential. If you are struggling to design good shirts as it relates to fireworks, there's no excuse. Creative Fabrica is like $3.99 a month. They have all the clip art you could possibly need to make a really good fireworks shirt using these as inspiration and motivation. Check out Creative Fabrica. Use my link and you get the maximum discount that is in the description. Moving on, niche number 4 this week. July 4th alcohol. I mean, come on now. That's an obvious one. The first one, we've seen that one. Let's drink and blow-ish up. Next one after that, that's a horrible idea. ... Hold my beer. Third one, I want you, Uncle Sam. I want you to beer me. Fourth one, it's a good day to drink on a boat. That is typically what Mariella and I do on July 4th. So probably be doing more of that this year, God willing. Red wine and blue. Red wine and blue. Okay, behind me here. And that looks like it's on a tank top as well. Red wine and blue. Niche number 5, and you'll never guess the primary niche. If you said July 4th, congratulations. You got the 2 presidential candidates as far as we know. Biden, I mean, we'll see. July 4th, Joe Biden, all right? And that doesn't mean that they're all going to be pro-Biden. This is just what happens when you type it into the search bar. Okay, but you got the 45, 47. Don't blame me. I voted for Trump. 9 out of 4 Biden voters regret their decision. There's some funny ones. Happy Easter with the July 4th fireworks. Don't blame me. I didn't vote Biden. Whoever voted for Biden owes me gas money, etc. So you guys get an idea of the sentiment here. You're selling to the masses. Like I always say, vote for the pro, vote for the anti. But you're going to make more money, most likely, based on what we see with the anti-Joe Biden sentiment July 4th shirts. Then you got the Trump shirts as well, right? Why not? Why would you only do Biden? Of course, you got to do Trump. 45, 47. Hell yeah, I'm black. I like Trump. Swamp the vote. Too big to rig. I don't even know if I say that on YouTube, the algorithm's going to be like, what did he say? You know, but hopefully we'll see what happens with this video. Don't blame me. I voted for Trump. Trump 2024. America. Trump 2020, the sequel. And somehow a Hillary Clinton shirt snuck its way in. I don't know how that's indexed on Trump, but it is. And July 4th, Trump. July 4th, Biden. You guys get the gist, right? We're just trying to sell t-shirts here. Emerging trends. So here we go. These are outperforming their 30-day average BSR. We got the Juneteenth. We have, and it's probably a little bit too late to sell Juneteenth if we're being honest. That's why we're skipping past that. The Father's Day stuff. So it's not the best time right now to be looking at these niches. You've got a July 4th hot dog shirt right here. Looking ahead, here are some smaller niches. July, and they're at least a month out, so there's time. July 16th, World Snake Day. We went on a brutal hike on Friday, 2 days ago. And the first thing we saw was a snake. I don't know. We only saw one, though. It was fine. It was a little garden snake, so I'm not trying to blow it out of proportion. But I was ready if we did see a real one. July 17th, National Hot Dog Day. July 18th, National Caviar Day. I said ready. I was ready to run the other way if we saw a big snake, just being honest. July 19th, National Daiquiri Day. July 20th, Moon Day. National Moon Day. All right, the archive. These were all the best sellers 11 months ago. That could be indicative of what's going to be selling well 1 month from now. Axolotl Questions, I Heart My Girlfriend, Cousins Rowing, a lot of deleted ones. USA Women's Soccer, Dinosaur Alphabet, Pause, Back and Body Hurts. There's some here that I would not necessarily feel safe in selling. Never Getting Back Together, the Taylor Swift lyrics. Yeah, I mean, they went after the Taylor stuff big time. Tequila, Breakfast of Champions. Nice. All right, guys, and removed designs. Let's wrap it up here. Voting the convicted felon got removed. It burns when I pee. One happy dad. So this could be removed by the seller or by Amazon. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching. Check out my full print on demand course showing you how I make 6-figure profits every year since 2019 from print on demand. 2019, I still worked a full day job, by the way, and a second job the entire year and made 6-figure profits from my side hustle that, of course, became my full-time job. So if you want to learn how I did it, guys, I'll help you start, scale, and automate your business. Linked in the description. Any questions, I'd say email me or drop a comment. And check out my private community. We do multiple live streams a week. We had 2 guests on Friday. I mean, we're killing it in there. You can catch all the replays. You get monthly resources. That is linked in the description. Questions, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon with another new video.